Ladies and gentlemen, according to research done by University of Massachusetts, it have been discovered that by 2060 the following names will not be existing. Yani, they will be distinct just like dinosaurs. And inside of men we have Brayo, Willie, Kevo, Dennis and Moa, which are all officials of Team Mafisi. Inside of ladies we have Carol, Faith, Kate and Sharon, which are qualified fair eaters.
How did you know?
I'm not here to argue, just listen. And as we go down the counties, we have Shiko, Shiro, Mwende, Fatuma and Atieno. The reason why the names named above will be distinct by 2060 is that the behaviors of the people named so are very pathetic, orthogonous and pathogonous, and this behavior are unacceptable in any community. Therefore, parents prefer not to name their kids so, because this will be disgrace to the community. If these people continue behaving the way they are behaving, for sure, this name by 2060 will not be existing, and it will go down the history that they exist to be a name like so. The other category is the category of the people which are about to be blacklisted, and we have Jaden. Kwanza Jaden is coming with bad, anakuja na maubaya sana, and this is a threat to the girl child out there. If you see Jaden, please run. The other names which are about to be blacklisted are Jose, Mato, Mike and Steve-O. Kwanza Steve-O, you don't know where he belongs. You don't know whether it's good or it's bad. It's just there. And this will cost the name. Yeah. And the other one is Lillian. Lillian is an upcoming fair eater. Boy child, take care of Lillian. Lillian can tunya you very bad. Yeah, that's all. Yes, please be careful of Lillian. The other category is the category of the people who have maintained the standards of their names. And we have Mary, which is Maria. Maria have continued to behave very well. Maria was mother of Jesus, and the people called Maria have continued to uphold the behaviors of Maria. And the other one is Peter. The people called Peter have also continued to behave very well. Peters are very good. Unlike Joseph, you can't be called Joseph and you are behaving like Judas. Joseph, even if you can't respect yourself, please just respect the name Joseph, because this one you are degrading the name Joseph. Last and not least, this goes to the people Brayos, Kevos, Karos and those ones. Yes, it is not too late. You can still change your behaviors and your name can be accepted again in the community. So it's not too late. You can still change. There is room for improvement. Yeah. Thank you for listening to me, and this information will be available in all public domains. Public domains including the medias, radio stations, hotels, clubs, bars, posters, yeah, everywhere. Thank you so much.
Tafadhali subscribe.